What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status, and welcome back to another Maschine tutorial. Today is exciting because we have the launch of the new 2.12 update for Native Instruments Maschine. All right, so what does this mean? That means we get a new feature called clips inside of the Maschine, and y'all, this thing is dope. I don't even want to talk about it. I want to show you guys exactly 2 creative ways that I'm going to be using clips from here on out inside of Maschine. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on those bell notifications so when I drop a new video, you are the first one to be informed. It's your boy Young Fizz. Let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. All right, so the first way I want to show you guys how to use clips in the Maschine is using it for automation. So what does that mean? So if you look here on group D, which is my master, I have an automation pattern here. All right, so let's go ahead and look at that pattern. So I'm just going to go over here, make sure this is highlighted. And if you hit C on your keyboard, so I've clicked here and I just hit C, that's going to toggle on and off, you know, the clips feature. All right. So basically what you can do when this is selected here, that's your focal point. So I'm just going to play it from right here. All right, so right there's an automation pattern, right? So I'm gonna convert this into a clip. So I'm just gonna make sure this is selected here. I'm gonna do a right click and I'm gonna go down to convert to clip. All right, so what does that mean? Right here, there's no automation here. But I want there to be automation there. So now I can just simply go over here, hold down Option and drag it right over to the hook, and that's going to be automation there. What's even cooler about that is that I can extend this to the length of the scene. Check this out. That's just one of the new features inside of, you know, Maschine. The way I'm gonna be using clips is with automation, because I'm thinking about some powerful stuff right now with clips, and that's just one thing that I wanted to show you guys. All right, so another way to use clips is going to be able to transition between sections of your arrangement. So what does that mean? So say for example, I want to basically mute a section at the end of a scene. Before, I would have to create a scene or another pattern and, you know, draw on what I want. But with clips, I don't have to do that no more. All I have to do is just simply double click where I want it. So say for example, let's go ahead and listen to it, what it sounds like without the clip there. But I want to basically add a mute there. So I can just simply double click and that's going to add my clip right there at the end of the section here. All right, so let's go ahead and play it from the section here. All right, so that is 2 creative ways that I just showed you guys to use clips inside of Maschine. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and we will see you on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. We're out.